YouTube. As you can see, I have makeup on. I'm gonna do another dog tag video. And this is my little fuzzy little puppy. This is the amazing. Say hi, honey. Hi. Hi, everybody. This is Chico Bell. I named her Chico Bell because I love Pixie Fairies, so I decided to call her Chico Bell. Yay! Say hi, Chico Bell. Hi to YouTube. Hi. This is my baby Chico Bell. Say hi, honey. I really want to do this dog tag video. Honey, say hi. Hi, honey. Over here. Say hi. 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 Thank you for watching this dog tag, and I'll see you on the next video, okay? Say goodbye, Chico Bell. Bye, everybody on YouTube. Bye. Tell me if this is the cutest little puppy. Thank you for watching this cool dog tag video. Bye. Say goodbye, Chico Bell. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. 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 Bye.